EMRI services receives hundreds of calls every day.
केस आसा कदंबा डेपो फॉरवर्ड फिक्स केस आं
Robert Knight accident to Robert Knight. Caller needs police help.
कोई आजकल से
The first hour from the time of an accident is important. The golden hour.
या आजकालच्या भुरग्यांक पळय मातूय घेवन येना कशी चलयतात पळय मोटरसायकल.
हेल्मेट फगत शोवाक दवरला.
अरे राव तूं ताका हेल्प करून गेलो जाल्यार सारको त्रासान पडटलो. आयज पुलीस स्टेशनार यो फाल्यां परतून यो म्हाका जाल्यार इतको टायम ना.
ताका उदक पिवपाक दी.
उदक दिनाका अर्धे शुद्धीर आशिल्ले मनशाक उदक दिल्यार उस्तर वचपाक शकता. ताका कितें जालें ना हें पळोवचे पयलीं 108क फोन करपाक जाय. कोणाचोय जीव वाचोवपाक दुर्घटना जातकर पयलें 1 वर सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचें आसता. 108क फोन कर.
हॅलो 108.
नमस्ते 108 कितें इमर्जन्सी?
ॲक्सिडेंट जाला.
मॅडम खंय जाला ॲक्सिडेंट? आल्तीन खंय येवपाचें मॅडम?
दूरदर्शन सर्कल.
ओके ॲक्सिडेंट बिटवीन कितें जाला?
2 व्हीलर.
आणि कितली जाणां इंजर्ड आसा?
1 पर्सन.
मॅडम लायनी रावा ॲम्ब्युलन्सा कडेन कनेक्ट करता फोन कट करनाका. हॅलो
हॅलो
मॅडम केस आसा आल्तीन दूरदर्शन सर्कल RTA केस आसा.
RTA
सेल्फ ॲक्सिडेंट आसा.
कितले आसा पेशंट्स?
1 पर्सन इंजर्ड मॅडम.
ओके मॅम वयता आमी केसीक.
GVK EMRI responds to your call within minutes. Every life matters.
कोणाकडे कितें कपडो आसा?
There are many disadvantages of trying to shift a patient yourself if you are unaware of the correct procedures. What is the golden hour? The first hour after any accident or trauma is called the golden hour. If proper first aid is given within the first hour, injury victims have a greater chance of survival and a reduction in the seriousness of their injuries. Every GVK EMRI vehicle has a trained response team.
हॅलो सर आयकपाक येता तुमकां?
कसो जाला ॲक्सिडेंट?
बायकावयल्यान
पडलो तेन्ना बेशुद्ध आशिल्लो.
हय बेशुद्ध आशिल्लो.
वॉमिटींग बी कितें केल्या?
वॉमिटींग बी कांय करूं ना आतां पर्यंत.
Our responders check for visible injuries before moving the victim.
गेट रेडी आता लॉग रोल करूया. 1 2 3 टर्न राईट. 1 2 3 adjust. One, 2, 3, lift.
This can happen to anyone. That's why the government of India has enforced the Good Samaritan law that provides legal protection to any person who helps victims of road crashes. You will not be forced to disclose your details for helping any victim. The government encourages you to help those in need and be a good Samaritan.
आयजो फर्स्ट एड दिवंक आमकां गोमलेले जाल्यार आमी गरजेच्या वेळार कितल्या लोकांचे जीव वाचोवपाचे. तुवें वेळार येवन आनी सगळे वेगी करून एकदम बरें केलें. नाजाल्यार तो भुरगो आयज गेलोलो.
In times of emergency, it is important to help victims in need. Hospitals cannot refuse first aid treatment to any victim as per the law. Knowing basic first aid and learning a few life-saving techniques will help you feel empowered and maybe save a life in the future.
I learned the wrong way that rules are meant for our own good. Always wear helmet and don't wear headphones while riding the bike. And most important, follow traffic rules and ride carefully. I knew these rules, but because I ignored them, I nearly lost my life. So stay safe and ride safe.
calling 108.
Namaste 108. More than 1 million lives saved, over 22,000 emergencies served every day.